Hello everybody, this is Nora, and today I have a tutorial for you using SheModern products. I like to thank SheModern for, again, continues sending me these beautiful products for me to play with and review. So today I use the holographic orange glitter. That's what you see here on my middle and my pinky nail. And I also use these orange foil nail arts. They are so cool. The leaves, this is from a variety pack that I will show to you. You will see that later on the tutorial. But they somewhat reminded me of an Asian, somewhat like a probably the cherry blossom flowers. So that's why I went with, you see the stamping, or the stamps that I used came from an Asian plate that I have, and I believe those are cherry blossoms. So I will go ahead and leave you guys with the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and enjoy the rest of the video.